everyone. Today we are going to see the floor plan in the size of 30 feet by 73 feet 6 inches. Total plot area is 2,258 square feet and build-up area is 1,800 square feet. This is the east facing house plan. Uh, in the northeast corner there is a portico cum car parking space in the size of 15 feet 6 inches by 18 feet. Outer staircase it's available in the southeast corner. While entering into the main door, we get a lengthy hall in the size of a 12 feet 9 inch by 32 feet. Sofa and TV projection is there, and two big windows are there for big ventilation. In the southeast corner, there's a kitchen cum dining in the size of 11 feet by 17 feet, and puja room is available in the south side near the kitchen in size of 11 feet by 8 feet. And then kids bedroom is available in the south direction in the size of 11 feet by 11 feet. Bed is in the south side and wardrobe is in the west side. In the southwest corner there is a master bedroom in the size of 17 feet by 17 feet. Here also same bed is in the south side and uh, wardrobe in the west side. With attached toilet. Attached toilet is in the size of 6 feet 9 inch by 17 feet. Master toilet. So ground for two bedroom with two attached toilet is there. In the first floor, same like ground floor rooms are available. Uh, Big balcony in the size of 13 feet by 17 feet 6 inches. And the hall is in the same size 12 feet 9 inches by 32 feet. And kitchen is in the kitchen also same size 11 feet by 17 feet. Here stove is in the east wall so that we can cook while cooking we can face east direction, and sink is in the south northeast corner and fridge in the north side, and dining table is in the west side in the entrance. uh, Also puja 11 feet by 8 feet, and kids bedroom 11 feet by 11, and attached toilet 11 by 5. Master bedroom 17 by 17, same like ground floor, and with attached toilet 6 feet 9 inches by 17 feet. So this is G plus one, two floor house plan. Ground floor and first floor also same built up area 1,800 square feet. So if you like this plan, like it, comment, and please subscribe the channel. If you want more house plans like this, you can check out our website www.houseplansdaily.com and www.houseplans.world. Our apps are available in the Google Play Store. House plans and designs, house designs and plans, planners and designers. Thanks for watching.